Hello guys, today we're gonna look at the types of galaxies in space engine. So let's do this guys. So first off is this galaxy, which is an E0. Wait, we're gonna visit randomly generated one. I just clicked on the wrong one. This one is actually a real one. Let me find another E0 galaxy. So, well, so if we go, so this we have, so this galaxy right here is RG0726214357 It's an E0 that's only 7,900 light years across, almost 8,000 light years across. It's kind of a small galaxy. It's what we would call a dwarf elliptical, possibly even a spheroidal galaxy. It looks like a dwarf spheroidal. That's what we call these. It is. So, we don't have to visit the centers, but let's check this thing out right here. This galaxy is not that big. Honestly, we're gonna fly through it. Now let's go ahead and let's do space engine search. Clear it up. Filter settings. And 10 light years. Okay, and we're finding planets already. Let's go do this. 348, 650, 650. Let's go do this. Let's choose something pretty cool, something with life. Like this one, this. No, that's not good temperature. I think there must be a moon around this thing that has life. This is a frigid Jupiter. Well, it's a mini Jupiter, like maybe Neptune-sized. Let me go check the moon cell of this thing. This one, it probably is like Enceladus or Europa. Like, or on Jupiter or Saturn. Probably like, it has ice on the surface, something like Enceladus, Europa, Triton, Ganymede, Callisto, Titan, etc. This moon, no, it looks a lot more like Europa or Enceladus. Alright guys, let's space out and let's go out here. Let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna find an E1. So let's see what we've got here. Alright guys, and so here we go. We found an E1 elliptical, guys. This galaxy, RG063276714665. It is a E1 elliptical galaxy. Exactly what I was looking for here. So, we're gonna explore this very quickly, guys. What? So, we're just exploring the types of galaxies. So next we're gonna see what there are other types as well. Next type is lenticular galaxy. So let's look for a lenticular. Okay, and there's the lenticular. Alright guys, let's go to it. Alright, so this galaxy is an SO, or S0 lenticular galaxy. It's 139,000.97 light years across, and it looks like it has a couple like billion stars, possibly like probably almost a trillion. Alright, and then there's a nebula. Lenticular galaxies don't really have a lot of nebulae because, like ellipticals, lenticular galaxies lack spiral arms. They also lack star formation too. This might not be here in a normal lenticular galaxy. I mean, some lenticular galaxies do have some star formation, but most of them are not have a lot of stars going on that are forming in it or things of that nature. Alright guys, and so here we go. We have a spiral. Next type is called a spiral galaxy. And our Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. Can you see? So this galaxy appears to be a spiral, like our own galaxy. So spirals are, galaxies that have spiral arms, lots of star formation going on in them, and they also don't really have like a lot of old, very, very old stars like what we see in lenticular and elliptical galaxies. But they do have halos of old stars, of globular clusters, like what we'd see on our own galaxy. And our galaxy has a lot of old stars, but this one right here, this one looks like the eye of a cat. Yeah, there's even a galaxy called the Cat's Eye Galaxy and a nebula called Cat's Eye Nebula, which are pretty famous as well. So that's what the definition of a spiral galaxy is like, and that's how they are in their nature and stuff like that. Now the next type of galaxy that I want to show you, next type is called a SB, which stands for barred spiral galaxy, which our Milky Way is a barred spiral. So because they're spiral galaxies that have a central bar in them, and central bar means like, so let me show you what I mean. If you've ever, so this one looks like, it looks like Malin 1, which is a normal spiral galaxy, and yeah, so now this galaxy right here, it's barred spiral. Now you see what I mean by bar, you see how like that, you see this, that right there is the bar. It looks like a central bulge, like when you, okay, if you mean, now what is a central bulge? Let's go out here. So here's what I mean by central bulge. You see like that thing that looks like a fried egg or a peanut shape? That's what I mean by a central bulge. That thing right there. And then there's a diffuse nebula over there. Now, what the... That's a weird looking nebula. Actually, in general, nebulae and space engine look kind of weird. They look like random blobs of light. And what's that thing? Oh, that's so, yeah, that's what it is. Our galaxy is a barred spiral. Now, there's many different types of spiral as well, like elliptical. So, here's what the types go through. Lenticulars are just S0 or SO, I like to call them. Like that, you know. Now, spirals, in barred spirals, they go from A to C. A is like the tight ones, B is normal, C is loose wound, and E0 to E7 for ellipticals. E0 means like spherical, and E7 goes up to like very like elongated cigar-shaped ellipsoids called E7s. That's what the types are. Now, next for you guys is a irregular galaxy, which is easy to find. So for you because they're everywhere. Irregulars are the smallest, and ellipticals are the most common type, but these ones are also very, very common as well. They account for like 1 in 5 galaxies in our universe. So the irregular galaxies come in one type called IRR, which is irregular. Now, there's a thing called Magellanic galaxies, which is a spiral and irregular. There are some of the largest galaxies that are our Milky Way are the large and small Magellanic Clouds, which are Magellanic galaxies named after literally them themselves. So this is irregular. Now, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next.